Welcome back to Explore Science with Sana. In the previous lecture we have learnt about the cell. If you haven't visit it yet, check the link in the description below. Today we are going to dive deeper into the fascinating world of cells by exploring the two main types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Let's start by understanding what makes these cells different. Prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells are the simplest and most ancient type of cells. They lack a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Prokaryotes include bacteria and archaea. Characteristics of prokaryotic cells. They lack nuclear membrane. Mitochondria, Golgi bodies, chloroplast and lysosomes are absent. The histone proteins, the important constituents of eukaryotic chromosomes, are lacking in them. The cell wall is made up of carbohydrates and amino acids. They divide asexually by binary fission. The sexual mode of reproduction involves conjugation. The prokaryotic cell diagram given represents a bacterial cell. It depicts the absence of a true nucleus and presence of a flagellum that differentiate it from eukaryotic cell. Components of prokaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cell have four main components: the plasma membrane, cytoplasm, DNA, ribosomes. Plasma membrane is an outer protective covering which separates the cell from the surrounding environment. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance present inside the cell where all the cell organelles are suspended. DNA is the genetic material of the cell. Protein synthesis occurs in ribosome. Some prokaryotic cells have cilia and flagella which helps in locomotion. Eukaryotic cells are the cells that contain a membrane-bound nucleus and cell organelle. Protozoa, fungi, plants and animals all have a eukaryotic cell. Characteristics of a eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells have a nuclear membrane-bound nucleus and has mitochondria. Cell wall is the outermost layer of eukaryotic cell. The nucleus of a eukaryotic cell contains linear DNA. Eukaryotic cell diagram depicts different cell organelles present in eukaryotic cell. The nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, cytoplasm, mitochondria, ribosomes, lysosome are mentioned in the diagram. Components of eukaryotic cell. Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane separates the cell from outside environment. Cell wall. It is a rigid structure which is present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. Nucleus. The nucleus contains the DNA which is the genetic material. Golgi apparatus. It is an important site for the formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. It is made up of flat disc-shaped structures called cisternal. Ribosomes. These are the site for protein synthesis. Mitochondria. They are also known as the powerhouse of cells because they produce energy. Lysosomes. They are also called as suicidal bags because they possess enzyme that digests proteins, lipids, carbohydrates and nucleic acid. Plastids. They are double membrane structure which are exclusively found in plant cell. Here we have a table of comparing prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. You can go through it for detailed comparison. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more such informative videos, like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss such videos.